Hi friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss about what is families in Revit. So we need to have some basic knowledge of families in Revit. So if you want to define families, so families in Revit can be defined as a group of components that are used to build a model. An example can be walls, windows, stairs, doors, bathrooms, showers, annotation, text, any kind of component that are used in our Revit project is a part of family. So if you will see this second point, whatever we create in Revit is a part of family. So suppose this is a families of windows, and on your left side this is the families of doors. So we use these categories in our Revit projects to create our model. So these all are a part of door family, and these all are part of window family. So likewise you can take a families of walls and any other text, railings, etc., stairs, whatever is comes default with Revit is also a part of families. Whatever you take externally from any Google websites, any other websites, that is also a part of Revit family. So we need to have some knowledge about families. So if we'll go to next slide, say about family libraries and resources. So from where we use default family libraries and external family libraries. So there are many families which are included with the software. So and there are many other sources available online. So you need to download it from any other website. So I will make you understand about this point. So if I am going to my Revit software, you can create default family libraries that come with Revit from here. Families, you can open it from here also, and you can go to your libraries here, and you can go to English Imperial or English Metric, whatever version you are working, the units. So these all things which you are saying is all are families. So this is a lighting families, this is a planting, there are various default plants that comes with softwares of whatever version of Revit you are using. And if you will go to door family also, you can see these are all are default door families. And likewise you can see furnitures also, these all are default furniture system that comes with the our Revit softwares. We used to download externally from any websites like Revit City, and you can make a profile here. You can download any door here. This is just an example. You can download. These all are also part of Revit families. So we need to create some specific doors and families by using this new family creation here. You can create a new file. Suppose you want any specific doors or windows or any kind of design you will create with this family. So suppose if I am going to use metric profile, so if I'll go and this metric generic profile, that is box metric. So this is metric generic profile. I am going to click this one, and this is the process of creating generic profile family. So you can see these things like extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, swept, blend, void form. These all are forms that we use to create family in Revit, and you can also use in your Revit project after creating families. So that I will make tutorial on this in upcoming tutorials. You can understand about what is extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, sweep, blend, and many other things. So you can create families by using these profiles. So this is for opening existing Revit family file, and this is for creating new family profile, and that all we use in our projects is a part of family. If you will go to your next slide here. So how we can start making families in Revit? So it is recommended that you should start with making simple boxes or rectangles, or you should use this command like extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, shape, blend, void forms, so that it can become familiar with the creation of families. And then you should go and create a specific doors and windows. And because in doors and windows you are required to give some parameters and constraints, and it should be parametric, so that we can change length and width also. So you need some time to understand this. So that is advanced level. We'll make tutorials on that. So I will make tutorial on how you can use extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, shift, blend, void forms. So if you go to your next slide, this is constraint and parameter. So constraint is some fixed rule that can only be manipulated by editing the Revit family file, and parameters that creates a rule or relationship that has user editable properties. So I will make you understand what is constraints and parameters. Suppose if I am going to create any project here, and if I am going to draw a wall here, and I am going to this window here, I'm placing window. If I am selecting this window, you can go to here to edit this family, and there are some constants and parameters that we cannot change in default parameters of Revit. And there are some constant, what is the depth and height also. If you go to your floor plans of this, you can see these all are constant and parameters that are set to make this family here of window. So these all are default, we cannot change this. So we create our own new family to change any parameters here, or you can download from externally from any websites like that. We can edit later on in the family creation tab. So that is of advanced stage. So you need to have some understanding of basic knowledge of family creation for time being. So if you'll go to your next slide, you see what are the different kinds of families. So there are system families, loadable families, and in place families. So these three are kinds of families that we use in our Revit. So if you go to system families, you can define as basic element that you would assemble on a construction site. So likewise wall, roof, floors, ducts, pipes. So these all are system families. So we that can take an example here. Suppose if I am going to architecture, these are our system families: doors, windows, these columns, also roofs and floors, ceilings. These all are system families. Loadable families, that is customizable, and unlike system families, loadable families are created in external RFA files and imported or loaded in your project. So you can download any RFA file. Suppose I am going to download this door. This is residential external door I am going to download, and this is the RFA file. So you can see this is residential exterior RFA. If you click this, and you can go to folder and see this is .rfa. So these all are loadable families, so that we download from external websites. To understand in place families, so in place families are unique elements. So sometimes we require some creative shapes and unique elements that is project specific. Suppose I am showing you an example of one restaurant here that I have designed for a client. So he needs this kind of furniture seating that are not available in default libraries. So you need to create with your own family of furnitures by going to this creating new families tab here. You can create a new family, that kind of furniture, and you can present to your client. So these are in place families. So, and there are parametric and non-parametric families that also we need to understand. So parametric are formulas or mathematical equations embedded into Revit family that controls its properties. So there are parametric families. So you can control length, weight, height, material, textures, etc. by using parametric these families, and non-parametric families are elements that have been created in Revit database and cannot be tampered. So these all are non-parametric families. Go to Revit architecture. These all are like doors, windows that come with default Revit families. They are non-parametric. Parametric are created families externally, or you can create your own and can set some parameters to control its length, width, height, and textures and materials that are parametric. So if I will show you example here. I have downloaded this fully parametric flush door from Revit, this website Revit City. So I am going to open this in Revit software here. I'm going to make a wall, and I'm going to insert this, or you can directly use this parametric door here in project here. And now I'm going to place this in wall here. We will go to 3D view. Now this is parametric, so you can control its parametric mathematical equation like height, width, length, texture. You can edit this by going to edit type, and you can create duplicate of this. And you can control height. Suppose if I want to make this height of door as 8 feet, you can apply this, okay, and height of door is changed. You can see here this is temporary dimension, that is 8 feet. Likewise, you can do settings. You can change width also. Suppose width I want 5 feet here. You can apply here, and width is changed. So likewise, these are parametric families. So we can control its length, width, height, dimension, and likewise material also. So these are parametric families. So in the next video tutorial, I will come with extrusion. So this was about understanding of families in Revit. So hope you have liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.